Greetings Duster fans and welcome back to the Supercar channel. Today, we're talking about the Dacia Duster, specifically the brand new 2024 model. It's a fantastic, rugged SUV that offers incredible value, but like any car, it has its quirks. And believe it or not, some of the biggest problems with this car aren't mechanical, they're user-related. So stick around because we're counting down the top 3 mistakes Duster owners are making and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Trust me, these simple tips will save you a ton of frustration and a lot of money in the long run. If you find this information useful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. Now let's get into it. Mistake number 1, the tech troubles Tango. First up, if your Duster's infotainment system has ever gone completely black and refused to work, this is for you. Many owners report a frustrating trend. The multimedia system can be, glitchy and flaky. This shows up in all sorts of ways, from the screen freezing to a complete blackout where the parking sensors lose their sound or visual display. A similar pattern emerges with the advanced driver assist systems, which some owners have described as buggy as hell. False blind spot alerts and non-functional traffic sign recognition are pretty common complaints, often traced back to issues with the windshield cameras. An owner's mistake is to assume these are unsolvable hardware failures. The Duster's appeal is its ability to offer a host of modern amenities at a budget price point. It's an approach to product development that really prioritizes the democratization of features. This means it provides a configurable 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch central touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, features typically found in more expensive vehicles like the Hyundai Kona. The inclusion of these features allows the Duster to compete on a spec sheet, but the software stability may not be on par with its premium rivals. The problem is not an inherent flaw in the car's design, but a direct consequence of this strategic trade-off. A user's experience is shaped by having a premium car expectation for a budget car system. The good news is that these problems are often solved with simple manual workarounds. One user-found fix for a black infotainment screen involves turning the engine off, opening and closing the driver's door, and then restarting the car. For more systemic issues with the infotainment and driver assist features, upcoming software updates are expected to provide a long-term solution. By understanding this dynamic, an owner can avoid unnecessary frustration, turning what would be a significant flaw into a manageable quirk. Mistake number 2, the efficiency expectation trap. Are you driving your Duster hybrid or mild hybrid and wondering why the fuel economy isn't matching the manufacturer's promises? This one's for you. So, on paper, the Duster's efficiency figures are pretty impressive, right? The hybrid model, for instance, can reportedly drive in all-electric mode up to 80% of the time in cities, reducing fuel consumption by as much as 40% in urban cycles. Similarly, the TCE 130 mild hybrid is said to reduce consumption and carbon dioxide emissions by about 10%. However, a number of owners of the mild hybrid version have reported a disappointing MPG on motorways at speeds above 60 miles per hour. Now, this is not a manufacturing defect but a consequence of failing to align driving habits with the vehicle's engineering. You see, the Duster's powertrains are not designed for high-speed, long-distance cruising. The hybrid system is meticulously optimized for the stop-start nature of city traffic, where regenerative braking can be maximized to recharge the 1.2 kWh battery. Conversely, on the motorway, the engine must remain constantly engaged, which diminishes the hybrid's efficiency benefits and can lead to a loud, persistent drone that some folks find unrefined. Similarly, the TCE 130's mild hybrid system provides its greatest benefit during start-stop and acceleration in urban settings. The mistake, really, is treating the Duster as a one-size-fits-all vehicle capable of excelling in all driving environments. The different engine options, hybrid TCE 130 and the EcoG 100 LPG dual-fuel model, are tailored for specific scenarios and offer unique trade-offs. By adapting a driving style to maximize the benefits of the vehicle's design, such as leveraging the hybrid's urban efficiency, an owner can achieve the advertised performance figures and better manage their expectations. Mistake number 3. The budget car blind spot. Are you unknowingly setting yourself up for expensive repairs, thinking a budget car doesn't need the same attention as a premium one? Watch this. The Duster is widely celebrated for its rugged utilitarian nature and low purchase price. This can, however, lead to a psychological blind spot where owners may feel less compelled to invest in its upkeep. Owners report issues such as paint that is susceptible to damage, with some claiming you can get down to the primer with a fingernail. This, combined with the fact that the Duster is prone to rust, means that a simple stone chip or scuff can escalate into a major problem. As one expert noted, a stone chip can spread into a crack, requiring a new windscreen, while a bumper scuff can lead to paint bubbling. These small issues are often left unattended, but their cumulative effect can be significant, eroding the Duster's key value proposition, its affordability. The crucial mistake is assuming that a car's low cost of entry negates the need for proactive maintenance. Neglecting small issues can turn them into big, expensive problems. This includes mechanical issues like a clogged diesel particulate filter, or DPF on diesel models, which is often a direct result of short-distance urban driving that prevents the filter from regenerating. A clogged DPF can lead to expensive repairs, with a full replacement costing between £300 and £1,000. By adopting a proactive maintenance philosophy, immediately addressing stone chips, regularly cleaning the car to protect the paint, and taking periodic motorway drives to clear the DPF, owners can save hundreds in the long run and preserve the car's resale value. So there you have it, the top 3 mistakes and the simple steps you can take to avoid them. The Dacia Duster 2024 is an amazing car, and by understanding its quirks and treating it right, you can get the best possible experience out of it. If you've made any of these mistakes, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with a fellow Duster owner, and subscribe to the Supercar channel for more expert advice and car insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.